Welcome back, guys. So the next topic is about Vlookup. So the thing is, here we will learn how we can search a value from different sheet, right? For example, we have the range, search range into the different sheet and the value which we want to search in a different sheet. How can we search that? It's so very simple using Vlookup. We can do it very easily. How can we do it? For example, you guys can see here we have Vlookup sheet here and another one is Vlookup 2. So here we have a table from A2 to A1 to D4, right? And in previous video we search about Vlookup, right? How can we search now from Vlookup 2 sheet, right? So for that, for example, I want to search 124 roll number into my that previous sheet. The same way we look up, then my searching value, it is B4, right, comma, now the name of my sheet, right, because my that range is in different sheet, so it's a V lookup, then this sign of exclamation, and my A2 colon D4. Remember, A2 is my starting value, right? In A1 it's my header, so my range is from A2 to A4, comma 2 comma false. Yeah, so you guys can see here we are populating with the result. So if we press enter, you guys can see here we can fetch the result from the Vlookup from a different sheet as well. You guys can see 124 is Harry. So this is how we can do using Vlookup, and this is a very beautiful way to use a Vlookup into different sheets. Hope you guys enjoy this. Keep practicing. If you guys have any query, question, comment into the comment box, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Have a very good day. Thanks for watching.